Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how do you delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. So let's get into the video. So firstly, let me before I start, let me let you know that this option only works for iPhone at this moment, and that too to certain accounts only based on the locations, and if I'm not wrong, this is not available for Android phones yet. So let me get into the video. So what you have to do is open the Instagram app and then look for the post that you want to delete. So for example, this one, I got two photos here, so I want to delete one of them. So what you have to do here is open the photo, all right, the post, open the post, and then click on the three dots here, and then you'll see an option called edit. So click on it. So here what happens is, all you have to do is if you pull these post a bit, so what you will see, that you should see on your top left here, on your top left you should see a bin icon here, which you just tap in order to delete it. As mine is a Android, as I'm using an Android version, so its option is not available to me, but for Apple users this option should be available, and you should be able to delete your photos considering the location where you are in. So and please so just give it a go and see how it goes, and I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.